been the natural glue of our family and is a true peacekeeper. She is always loyal to us, maybe to a fault, but I love her for it. And then came Mr. Erik. Erik was immediately family to me, and I want to thank you for loving my sister in all the ways that she deserves to be loved.
The day Erik asked me to marry Caitlin, and it was one of the proudest moments of my life, but also one of the most difficult because we had to keep that secret for like a month and a half. And when I got home, I told Christina and she was already ready to plan everything, do everything. Welcome to our family, Erik.
May the road rise to meet you.
May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face. The rain fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand. May God be with you and bless you. May you see your children's children. May you be poor in misfortune, rich in blessings. May you know nothing but happiness from this day forward. May the road rise to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the warm rays of sun fall upon your home, and may the hand of a friend always be near. May green be the grass you walk on. May blue be the skies above you. May pure be the joys that surround you. May true be the hearts that love you.
Dear friends and family, we are gathered here not to witness the beginning of what will be, but rather what already is. Y nada volverá a ser igual entre ustedes, porque después de estos votos dirán al mundo, este es mi esposo, y esta es mi esposa. Erik, do you take Caitlin to be your wife? Do you vow to be her faithful partner? He's very anxious. It's okay. I have a whole paragraph. I'll give you a signal. Do you vow to be her faithful partner? You got to commit to a lot more, sorry. In sickness and in health. In good times and in bad. In joy and in sorrow. Do you promise to love her unconditionally, to support her, to honor and respect her, to care for and protect her, to comfort and encourage her, to laugh and cry with her today and for all of your tomorrows?
I do.
Yeah. Caitlin, do you take Erik to be your husband? Do you vow to be his faithful partner in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, in joy and in sorrow? Do you promise to love him unconditionally, to support him, to honor and respect him, to care for and protect him, to comfort and encourage him, to laugh and cry with him today and for all of your tomorrows?
I do. With this ring, I give you my heart. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. May my heart be your shelter, and my arms be your home.
This ring is a symbol that I choose you to be my lover, my partner, and friend until the end of my days.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, by the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and let me move out of the way. You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce for the first time as husband and wife, the Graves Medranos.
I'm just so happy and proud for you guys. This is amazing and awesome. Congratulations to you guys, and I wish you guys all the best in the future. My wish for you both is a lifetime of music and love, and for me to get to look up to that more. So, cheers. I love you both.
Thanks to our family for always making me feel welcome. And thanks everybody for coming. Enjoy all the drinks.